Guys. Okay. Let me cover up my address. Look at what just came in the mail. It doesn't even say who it's from, but it has my my TikTok username on it. So I'm gonna assume that this is some PR. So let me get this open first. Okay, I haven't even looked inside yet. And yes, I'm sitting on the floor. Hold the phone. Guys, wait, are you serious right now? Guys, I don't even know what to say right now. I am in shock, to say the least. It's a hairdryer. Guys, chat, is this real? I can get the lid off. I'll show you guys. Okay, just sec. Guys. How many times have I said guys? Yo! I am honestly jaw-dropped right now. I can't believe this. I have the feeling that this is going to be really satisfying, so I'm just going to share with you guys. Ooh, ASMR. Ooh, that was so delightful. Let's sit down inside and get this one. Oh no. Oh no! We'll just tear this one, that's okay. Guys, literally tell me this is not beautiful. Look at this. Okay, this is gonna be so satisfying. Oh my gosh. Look how crisp that is. Okay, so it came with a diffuser and then one of the more like precise drying things. I'm just gonna set that on top for a second. And then it came with this little bag. Okay, so I'm not good at opening stuff with one hand. It came with this bag. Oh my gosh, I'm really not good at opening stuff with one hand. Hairdryer. Cutesy. And then it came with instructions. This looks like it has some pretty snazzy, like, features, okay? Like, I'm so excited to try this, guys. Like, oh my gosh. Wait, guys, I have to show you this. It's a magnet. Tell me that is not, like, so satisfying. I am like, oh my gosh. Oh, isn't that cool? Look, I got this one. Just 1, 2. And it, like, holds on good. Like, that is so satisfying. Tell me it's not. Tell me it's not. Wow. Okay, so I showered and blew dry my hair with it. And I'm going to show you some stuff about it. I already put it away in the cute little bag. I think this is so cute. It's aesthetically pleasing, you know what I mean? So basically, what's cool about this, or I thought was cool at least, is it has 2 settings, so it has low and high, because I hate, my old hairdryer only has like a high setting, and I like that this one has a low. And then this button up here, normally the button is just cooling, but no, you have temperature control. I thought that was so cool, because at first I was like, what does this even, look, I'll just plug it in and show you, because there's a light in here, and it coordinates with that, and I was like, oh, Like, I'm sorry, I think this is so cool. Okay, look at this. So the circle around it was red, so I had it on warm. It has so many different settings. Literally, like, this is so bougie. Like, literally, y'all should see my old one. She dusty. But, you know what? Yeah.